Okay, we'll go back on the record. Case of State of Texas versus Matthew Paul Bender. Mr. Bender, I want to first correct the record, something that I said. I indicated that Ms. Pamplin had not been appointed, and when we took the break, clerk brought to my attention that Ms. Pamplin at one point was appointed to represent you. I then looked at the file more carefully and I noticed that there's been a series of lawyers. Looked like, first of all, Dan Young was appointed to represent you.
That's correct.
Then Sam Terry was retained, and then Lisa Pamplin was appointed after Sam withdrew. And then, of course, Lisa posted your bond, a $50,000 bond, and then she later withdrew from your case as your attorney and filed an affidavit to be released from surety. And at that point in time, the court, I reduced your bond from $50,000 to $25,000, and you've since made that bond. Okay, so that corrects the record with regard to the sequence of attorneys that have been representing you in this case. Now, I still need to find out from you, though, if you're going to hire an attorney or not, which your intent is.
I'm here in pro persona. I'm here in my proper person. And sir, I've not missed a court date.
Okay.
And I do not intend to miss a court date.
Okay.
I hope that helps.
Well, that helps with regard to, you're meeting your obligation to appear in court. But I still need to know what.
Do I have an obligation, sir, to retain an attorney?
Well, you either retain an attorney or the court can appoint you an attorney if you're indigent. Now, as I said earlier, the determination has been made that you are not indigent.
Okay.
And for that reason, the court has not been inclined to appoint you a lawyer. If you have been determined to be indigent, then of course I would have appointed you a lawyer by now.
Sir, I was already poor before I was charged $7,500 in bail fees.
Well, at some point, the decision was made that you were no longer indigent. Okay? And somehow you came up with the money to get out. $7,500 you said you came up with that.
Sir,
excuse me. You were able to come up with that amount for your freedom from incarceration. Now, as I said, you have a right to represent yourself. If you don't want to represent yourself, I'm going to appoint you a lawyer, even though you're not indigent, and then I'm going to order you to make payments on that lawyer.
I do not desire to have a lawyer appointed. I do not desire to have a lawyer appointed to me.
Okay, so what do you desire?
I desire to continue to appear at all court dates in pro persona.
You want to represent yourself?
I intend to appear at all court dates in pro persona.
Okay, I understand you appear in court. Are you going to represent yourself?
I intend to appear at all court dates, sir. And sir, as far as I believe, anything that I can say can be used against me.
Well, I'm not going to ask you anything about the pending case, sir. I'm just trying to ascertain whether or not you're going to hire a lawyer or not.
I'm trying to ascertain if my Fifth Amendment right is protected in this court.
Just a minute, please, sir. That's right.
I'm sorry.
So you stop when I start talking, okay? All right. I'm trying to find out if you are going to hire a lawyer or not, or whether you want this court, even though you're not indigent, to appoint you a lawyer.
Let the record show that I do not want the court to appoint a lawyer that will charge me money.
Okay, all right, so you want to represent yourself. Let me advise you that you represent yourself, you will be held to the same standard that a lawyer will be held to, okay? You'll be required to make the objection, file your motion, and do everything that, you'll be held to the same standard that a lawyer would be held to, but you do have that right to represent yourself if you so desire. You understand that?
I'd like for the court to take judicial notice that more than once, and in fact, as a result of my bond was revoked as a result of misinformation given by an officer of this court, namely Lisa Pamplin, who claimed that I was not calling her office as she wished, and that was false information.
Okay, all right, okay. All right, I understand that. That's your contention.
And it's also my contention that she was originally appointed to my case.
Okay, all right, I understand that. She has withdrawn from your case.
Despite the instructions to stay throughout all appeals.
Okay. She has withdrawn from your case.
Agreed.
This case is going to proceed in the same manner as other cases. You'll be notified as to when you'll have to come back. Be prepared to represent yourself, okay? All right, that concludes this hearing.
Am I free to go?
Yes, sir?
When do you want to go?
Hold on, wait a minute. Court date, next court date.
It'll be January the 4th for a trial on the judge.
Okay, January 4th, trial. All right.
What's the trial docket?
That means you're going to trial.
On the 4th?
Yeah.
Thank you. Good luck. What do you think, baby? I gotta file some more information with the clerk. Yeah.
What part do you need?
213?
3-7 first.
Jim, he's not an attorney.
370 first? Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna need to have this sworn. So I'm gonna sign it the 5th day. Oops, I'm sorry, that's for receipt on the court. This is a fee schedule. This is for this is
There you go.
motion to quash. I just need receipts for those.
Your receipts? I don't give receipts.
Yeah, just stamps to show that they've been turned in, is fine.
You have a copy?
I do.
Okay. Then I'll file mark your copy.
Yeah. Right.
I'll keep the originals.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you. And this one. Sign that. Do I need to swear to any of these?
No. You have a copy of this? This fee schedule?
Yeah, I think you gave it back to me. I think you already stamped it.
Motion to quash. Okay, there it is.
Fee schedule stamped. Okay, here's a writ quo warranto. Signature. In order to make that a sworn statement, what would I write in?
Nothing. You don't write in anything. I will swear you to it,
Okay,
and I'll sign it.
okay, that'd be terrific. That'd be terrific.
together?
Yeah, it goes together. I wish I had numbers too. Okay. Puerto Rico and restriction. Okay. Here's the signature page.
This is
I
the
need to swear
original?
that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the original.
What is it? Do you have it?
Yeah, this
You
is
have a
just a
copy?
copy of it. Yeah. Mhm.
Okay.
So
You
you
wanna
take
file
a
mark
copy
it?
so you can mark it.
Yes, please. But am I supposed to swear to that?
You will swear to it.
Okay,
You will swear, that's just your copy.
okay.
Raise your right hand.
Uh-huh,
You do solemnly swear the information contained in this document is true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
I sure do.
Okay.
And I wonder if I can get that on my copy as well, that it's sworn to.
This is the original. It's in the file, so this is good enough.
I mean, but that doesn't satisfy my need for a copy of it. I wonder if I can just have the same note made that it's sworn to.
You can
such
go
and such a day.
downstairs. I'm gonna scan this into our gym system, and then you can
Okay.
go down to the third floor, and they're gonna charge you 50 cents per page for a copy of this. Okay?
Okay, and it'll be the identical copy?
It'll be the
It'll
exact
be
same
that one.
thing.
Uh-huh.
Okay?
Thank you, Ms. Wheeler.
You're welcome.
We're out of here.
No, she said wet floor.
Don't worry about that. Let's go. So they can lie all they want when they're off the record. They can't lie when they're on the record. That's why he called back to correct the record that she was
She did correct.
that she was appointed. But it doesn't matter that he corrected it now because the decision against me was already made. And they decided to revoke the bond based on information that was false.
Maybe that's the reason he corrected it.
He corrected it to say his own bottom.
He's gonna explain
His
some
own
things to you,
His
or
own bottom.
talk to you, and answer your questions.
It's on the bottom.
His own bottom. His own bottom.
Oh, yeah, that's
Hi.
Hi, how are you doing?
Good. How about yourself?
Doing okay. No complaints.
It's my name. We gotta save him for Friday.
Yeah.
Going down. Progress.
Thank you.
Going up.
All right. Another right.
You did good. I would be petrified.
At least I didn't get freaking arrested.
Arrested. They were just ready.
I know. If the truth be told, I shouldn't have gone in there. That's some gold. Maybe.
No.
No.
Copper.
I don't know what it is.
So what else do we need to do?
Go home. There's nobody coming. Come on. Nope.
No.
Nope.
This, you cross that way, but this is
No. We're parked on this side.
yeah, let's see.
I could have made that judge leave the courtroom.
How?
By telling him that he's a trustee.
What about what about the bag that we're supposed to pick up?
Wanna go to the jail?
Yeah. Let's see, because he was showing you, is this a bag?
Yeah.
Remember?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, you're right.
Do you see a bag there?
Yeah, it was like a quarter the size of this thing. Did you see it?
No, but I guess it was small because the folder was Manuel's folder.
Yeah, it was tiny compared to this. Oops. Maybe a third the size of it.
He said, what do you have there? And then we told him. So, this goes.
Okay.
That was for your designs, right?
Yeah.
Always smart. Where did you go last time? When you were looking for or you didn't go any place?
I just went where they dragged me.
So, mira, property only. That's what I got, the paper. That's what I got your stuff. I don't think so it's there.
I'm just gonna have.
They transfer you to that location, but I don't know the location.
Yeah, my name's Matt Bender. I was released from the jail on November, what was it? No, I was entered November the 18th. And I had an envelope that looked just like this taken away from me by the bailiffs in the court. And it was entered into whatever. Yeah, but I didn't get it whenever I was released on bail.
Okay, what you can do is go to your window right there, that very back window where it says property owner.
Thank you. Phone number, what do you mean? Oh man, I think I'm still recording.